Heard rhythmic flapping at night? Seems quieter as it nears. If you hear that sound, don't look up. In a small town, residents believed Manananggal attacks stopped. Their peace shattered when farmer found Karaba lifeless, drained. No wounds, just silence. That week, a tricycle driver vanished, leaving final transmission. His message crackled, "I hear wings. Why farther?" That is how it tricks you. Wakwak's nature. They say its wings sound distant when above, ready to strike. A mother heard that sound outside her house late one night. She killed lights, pulled her child close, hid under the bed. Then cold whisper slithered through darkness. It called her name, inside room. Next morning, only child found, traumatized. Asked about mother, boy whispered. She told me, woman with no legs sent her.